Morning everybody. It is a gorgeous day where I live in upstate New York, and I hope you're having a gorgeous day too. I'm Sylvia the Crafty Old Lady, and today I'm working on Margarete Miller's collage assignment number. I have several lined up and ready to go here. We're doing 48 today. We need a fragrant plant, and I thought this flower would be perfect for that. Something you can drink from. Uh-oh, there it is. A little glass of, I don't know what that is. Maybe wine, apple juice, I don't know, but that's that. Text in a foreign language. I have no idea which way to put this, but it looks like a foreign language to me. People, so I've got these people. An illustration, this is an illustration of people. And craft paper right behind here. So what I'm going to do now is glue everything down and then glue it into my book. I hope you're all happy, healthy, and safe today. It's the day before Thanksgiving for me, and I'm getting a little anxiety about everything that I gotta do. Oops. I feel like I need to just kind of trim off a few little raggedy edges here. Okay, I think that's about the best I'm gonna get. So let's put this down first, I do believe. Oh, even that side is kind of nice too. So, I was really surprised to see a gorgeous sunny day out there. I'm not used to it. It seems so bright. I need my sunglasses. Okay, there we go. I don't know what happened. Oh, there's my roller. Found it. Okay, and now I think I really just want to cut this piece out of her arm, right in between her arm. It's so tiny, but I think it will look better. Maybe you won't even notice it, but I still feel like it's not going to look too great. I kind of raggedied up the edge there. So what I'm going to do is this. There. That's not so bad. Now her arm looks weird though. Yeah, I guess I should have left that alone. Oh well. I think they're going to go next, right here. I think maybe they would look better if I ink them up, though. It looks like the sun was behind them. And it seems so, I don't know, too much whiteness there. I guess I could do a better job of this. Alright, I think that's probably the best I'm going to get. So let's put some glue on these guys and get them down. What are your Thanksgiving plans? Oops, down lower. I hope that whatever your plans are, you have a happy Thanksgiving. I know sometimes holidays are rough. I know for me, I always look forward to my family coming, but then I'm already depressed when I think about them leaving and they haven't even gotten here yet. So, yeah, I know it's crazy. Alright, and then we have these guys, and I am going to cut around the outside a little bit more, but I'm not going to do too much because it's almost the same color as the craft paper, really. Probably not on camera cutting her hair. And think we'll just kind of go around the edges a little bit. There. So they'll go right here. I feel like I do need to go right over here though. There. That's a little better. So I have some of my kids and grandkids and daughter-in-laws coming and son-in-laws coming, but not everybody's coming. It's pretty hard to get everybody all together, but we did do it this summer. Everybody was here, all 9 kids, and well, one spouse didn't make it, but all 9 kids and grandkids were here. So we've got that, and I'm going to try to cut this a little better and ink it. Rickety here, raggedy. Sometimes when you cut magazine images, they're white around the edges, and I don't like that. So this is going here, and then I'm going to just put this like this and hope that it's not upside down. I'm picking up my daughter Bethany at 2:30. My son and his wife are coming in at 5:30, and then my daughter-in-law, or my daughter and son-in-law, I should say, are coming tomorrow. And then my other daughter-in-law and son are coming later in the afternoon after they visit her father. I think I better check who's trying to get in touch with me. So apparently I did not come back and finish this video after I checked to see who was trying to get in touch with me. So we have got my fragrant plant up here. Something we can drink from is over here. Text in a foreign language is right up here. People are down here. An illustration is here, and my craft paper is in the background. So thanks so much for watching, and I hope you'll stick around and check out some of my other videos, and subscribe and like. Thanks so much, and we'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.